Every morning, the son tiptoed quietly into a small, cozy apartment. Right by the door sat Biscuit, a little bulldog full of hope. He believed today would be another perfect day with his human. Leo tied his shoes slowly, already running a little late. "Just one more minute," Leo said with a smile. Later that day, rain tapped softly against the windows. Leo sat quietly, the day heavier than he expected. Biscuit noticed immediately. He always did. With one gentle paw, Biscuit reminded him he wasn't alone. Leo laughed, and the room suddenly felt lighter. No castles, no magic spells, just love. Because sometimes home is simply being together.